Behind me, you can see the generator powering Market Street in Fairland. Today is the 22nd of June, 2026. This generator has been placed here on the 18th of February, 2026. You can see there in the background they're busy refueling the generator. Guys tell me that it takes 2,500 litres of diesel to fill this generator to run it. City Power confirmed that it takes roughly 20,000 rand a day to run this generator in operational cost and diesel. Now let's do the calculation. Since February to now, it's roughly about 120 days. At 20,000 rand a day equals 2.4 million rand that it costs the city and City Power to run this generator to supply power to a couple of streets. Because there's no stock of the mini-subs, or they're struggling to get a mini-sub. To put that in perspective, a mini-sub costs 800,000 rand to replace, excluding labor and transportation. Which means that there's 3 mini-subs that's been wasted. I'll continue to push this up until they replace this mini-sub and stop wasting the city's money. Because this is fruitless and wasteful expenditure. And I want to know why it's been taking 4 months to replace a mini-sub, when in other parts of the city, mini-subs has been replaced as little as 3 weeks. We'll continue to drive this, and we can't waste the city's money like this, because City Power keeps telling us that they don't have money to upgrade infrastructure. But then they waste 2.4 million rand on diesel and operating costs to run a generator, where they could have just spent 800,000 rand and replaced this mini-sub. If they don't have a supplier that can supply the demand, why not get more suppliers in order to replace these mini-subs? Because this is just one generator out of the entire city that's running at this moment. So just take a look at how many other generators are running in the city that's costing City Power 20,000 rand a day. Councillor Undershaw for Ward 89, and I will see you at the voting stations on the 4th of November. Make sure that you vote DA so we can put a stop to this nonsense, and we can actually get the infrastructure upgraded, and we can actually get the residents what they deserve and value for their rates and taxes and services that they pay for.